Hello everyone. In the last video, we have created our Shopify store. And in this video, I'm going to show you an overview of the dashboard. Okay. So first of all, from the right hand side, you can see the name, and there is the option for manage account, and there is the option for store. So whenever you will have multiple stores within a single email address, then you can access all those stores from here. Then we have logout options and some support options. So on the left hand side, we have the home that we can see now. So those things we need to actually add, so that's why it's showing here. So first of all, we need to add a product, and we need to add a domain, we need to customize the theme, we can add pages and organize our navigation. So we'll go through one by one, but for now let's see an overview. So then we have order. So whenever the customer places an order, then order will shown here. Then we have products. So whenever you will add products in your store, then all the products will be shown here, and those products will be editable inside here. Also, if you want, you can actually import product from right hand side, top corner right hand side. So you can import as a CSV of your products. Then here we have collections. So collections actually the category that's in Shopify that called collection. So you can create different collections for your products, like for men products, men collection, women products, women collection, and so on. Then we have customers. So in that case, whenever your customer will buy any product, then all the detail in customer detail will be shown in this space, and you can actually edit a customer or create a product for a customer, and this kind of functionality will work on there. Then we have the analytics. So it's your store analytics. So whenever you will have your orders data, then all the analytics will be shown here. All the traffic, wherever they come, how much recurring customer rate, online store success, and how much total sale you have, and all this data. Also, you can filter those data by time. Then we have live view. So in the live view, you will see a live representation of your customer. So whenever your customer is visiting your website, so you can see that. Then we have marketing. So inside the marketing, we can actually connect the Facebook and Google. Then we can actually run ads through it. Then we have discount. So it's basically the discount code. So whenever you want to create a discount code, you can click to create discount code from here, and you can write the discount code like this. Then you can give a fixed amount discount or percentage or free shipping and so on. Okay, so there are some others options that you can play around with it. Then we have the apps. So inside the app, you will have an option for customize your store. So whenever you will click on that, you will able to add different app from Shopify app marketplace. Okay, so there are several apps in the Shopify app marketplace. You can search with collections, categories. Say for example, I'm looking for a marketing apps. So you see all marketing apps. So you can see the app is showing. Also, you can actually search any apps here. Okay, so that's how it working, and I will show you how to add apps in later videos. Then we have online store. Inside the online store, first of all, we have themes. So you can see here is our theme, the drone. That's the default theme. So we are gonna develop a theme based on drone. So you will see this scope in later on. Then we have blog post. We can create blog post from here. Then we have pages. We can create different pages like contact, about us, FAQ, and so on. Then we have navigation. So you need to set up your navigations from here. Also, you can create filters from here. Then inside the preferences, we can add a homepage title and a description for SEO purposes. Then we can add a social sharing image here. Then we can add a Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, customer privacy, and a password protection. So as you can see, it's a password protected in this store, as because we haven't paid for a paid plan yet. So until you paid for a plan, uh, in that case your store will be password protected and you can't actually disable this. I will go through the settings in another video. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.